Temper. A person's mood, especially when they get angry. He has a bad temper. She lost her temper when the kids broke the glass. Gossip. To talk about other people. She likes to gossip about her classmates. Gossiping can hurt people's feelings. Worn. Something that looks old or damaged. His shoes are old and worn. This shirt is worn, but still comfortable. Stormy. Bad weather with strong wind, rain or lightning. The sky is dark and stormy today. We stayed inside because it was stormy. Frothy. Full of bubbles or light foam. The top of my coffee is frothy. She made a frothy milkshake. Supportive. Someone who helps you when you need them. My brother is kind and supportive. My friends are always supportive when I feel sad. Renowned. Famous or well known. She is a renowned singer. She is a renowned artist around the world. Quirky. A little unusual or different. People love his quirky smile. He wears quirky clothes with bright colors. Impolite. Someone who doesn't show good manners. It is impolite to throw trash on the ground. It is impolite to talk with your mouth full. Challenging. Something difficult, but it can help you grow. Learning English can be challenging, but fun. This math problem is challenging.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!